Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. So let's open the list of all apps and go to the settings. Here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. And right here, after scrolling down just a little bit, we've got this wallpaper section, so let's tap on it. So now we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So here we've got them. At the top, we've got also the option to, for example, enter the album and choose something from your own photos. We can use carousel wallpapers or choose something from the recents. And under it, we've got this option, more wallpapers, which means that if you've got the internet connection and you will be logged into the OPPO account, then you will be able to download something from those wallpapers and apply them. Here we've got a lot of beautiful options. I just don't want to waste my time to just log in, so let me choose something from pre-installed ones. So maybe something quite similar. So we've got this one, so let's switch it to the purple and pinkish one. So just tap on the wallpaper and it will immediately appear on the full screen. So just tap on apply to, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, both, or you can use the carousel wallpapers. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now it will appear on the full screen. So here you can check the preview. You can pinch it to crop the wallpaper as you like. And after switching to the homepage preview, let's say, here we've got this color option, which means that after tapping on it, we can set a solid color like here, or a gradient one as your wallpaper. So you can also choose something from those options. It's totally up to you. However, if you will decide that you want to stick to the wallpaper you've previously chosen, just tap on match lock screen and your device will apply it right here. Alright, so to apply it, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Hello? Alright, wait a second. And here we can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system. So let me quickly show it to you. Just tap on OK. And here we have to tap on wallpaper colors. So those are let's say taken from the wallpaper. So basically your device will choose 4 different spots and take the colors from it. So here we've got the elegant, fresh one, active one. And here you've got the preview, so you can check how it will look like. However, you can also customize it. So just tap on custom, tap on got it. And now you can choose those 4 dots on your own. So as you can see, you can just change the position of those dots and choose different color. Confirm it with OK, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Here you can also check the preview. Alright, so now we can also go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully, so this option works, obviously. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.